the effect of not treating snoring, it can have some detrimental effects. So let's think about someone is snoring and not sleeping well. Number one, they have lack of sleep. Eventually that will build up to be a lack of concentration. And especially when we talk about our region in Mackay and the surrounding areas, lots of the people here, they work on the big machines, they driving on the road back and forth from work, they driving heavy machinery, trucks, etc. So if we lose a concentration, accident can happen really easily. The other issue we do find with lots of people coming for treatment, actually they do suffer from depression as well. So again, poor sleep leads to depression. So the seriousness of the issue in our region here, it's quite magnified because the majority of the work that's happening and the majority of the shift work is happening as well. So the better you get a good night's sleep and a good quality sleep, it means your concentration is better, your life is better, your family life is better as well.